morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what you're looking at. We're just on the north of Lake Garda at Lago Camping site. I'll put the description and whatever else on the top of it in a minute. It's quite a nice site. Location is beautiful actually, to be fair. You literally come, I'll just pan you around the site itself to have a look at these. The pictures are very good. As you see, there's our little one, and you see way round. They've all got, which is quite very clean, very tidy as always. I always do try to find sites that are actually located well, and also generally of a particular standard. More the fact it's part of your holiday and you want to try and enjoy it, and often it does actually improve the holiday by having, coming home to a nice place. What you've got just an entrance gate, as you just see it closing up there, where you can go literally straight onto the lake from there. So it's a guarded entrance, but also you've got your own number that you punch in to actually get straight out onto the lake. Unfortunately, it's a little bit overcast today, which doesn't show it in its true light, or its best light, we'll say. But literally, you just go through there, and then you've got this grassed area up through. So I'm just going to have a wander out there and just show you around that bit. Just bear with me a second. I won't show you the number, just in case they don't like it for security reasons. But so as you see, you get your garden entrance. Walk out, watching out for the cycle as you pass, and then literally you come out to here. And as you see, it's just literally, you've got your little harbour there with your boats in and so forth. Stunning views of the mountains, and we're going to be taking the bikes out because they've got fantastic cycle track going around here, which is, in many places either runs along parallel with the footpath, or actually runs just off of it. And don't even see it just in the corner. Basically, it looks stunningly sort of laid out for sort of getting about and so forth, so they're hopefully going to do that. You've got some stuff over there which goes up into the mountains and so forth if you wanted to view. I don't know whether we'll be doing that today because it's as I say, it's a bit overcast. We're going to probably just try and get the bikes out to have a look around. But yeah, so location, everything is absolutely beautiful. I'll put you some more posts of obviously how I get on, but in the meantime, as I say, if you're looking for a site that is right location, especially if you're visiting north of Lake Garda, then this would be the one. Cycle down to a castle. I'm not even going to try and pronounce it. I'm going to put it down as a text inside the screen, and I'll put obviously the location on. Basically, I wanted to show you obviously how I've got some speed up video showing you the road down here. I'd probably say 80% of it is pretty much cycle tracks riding along the lake, which is absolutely beautiful, even though today is a little bit overcast, which is unfortunate. I'm going to try and get the drone over the actual castle in question to actually do some drone footage, and I'll just pan across to where that is. Okay, so as you say, I'm certain that possibly, without a doubt, if that sun breaks through, this is going to be absolutely gorgeous. But obviously, so just ignore the clouds, glaze over that. I won't use AI to rectify it. I'll just tell it like it is. As I say, and I'll fly the drone over and give you some drone footage of it. But really, it's just to say, most of the travelling down, it was really good actually. I mean, he was travelling along, I say, 60-70% of it was literally along the pathway, literally a cycle track along the actual lake. There is a few places where you have to go underneath the tunnels, just to bear in mind. So if you are going on bikes, make sure you've got some lights, because some of the tunnels are a bit dark. We didn't have any lights, so only one of us had lights, my wife, so she cycled at the back so she had some light coverage, and me, I went in the front with So I have to just show you what we got. We've got a little setup where the dog and the we've got our electric boat, so we have a there. So anyway, she was at the back because she had the lights, and I was at the front because I had the dog and so forth. So we managed to get through okay. But I would say that if you are coming down, get some lights fitted just in case, just for the tunnels on the road. But they're only a short few runs. Anyway, back to the footage. See you then. On the way back, you can always pop onto a little stop and actually watch the windsurfers, because it seems to be very, very popular for windsurfing down here, which don't completely surprise me. We have had a bit of wind since we've been here, so and I think that, yeah, so it's certainly popular for it. But anyway, I did manage to get some drone footage of these guys. Might be of interest. Obviously, attach that to the video as well. But some fall in, which is, I suppose, the comedy moments. But if not, they're all pretty good actually, to be really fair. You've got a fair play to them, certainly doing something else that I can't do. So, signing off, all in all, north of Garda it's a different vibe than it is at the south, but still nice. I mean, they're both two different areas, and hopefully between this video I'm doing here and my last video, you'll sort of get an idea of which end is best for you. Today we've cycled out to a place called Parco Grotta Cascate del Varone. Don't even think that's a spout right. So what I'm doing, I'm just going to hang around to the side, and I'll obviously put the text and location on there on the video. Anyway, so we're just going to look around there. It's supposed to have like gardens, waterfalls, that sort of thing. It's about 5 kilometres from the place we're staying, which is obviously on the video, which you already know. And I showed the bike ride up here was a bit more stressful than the one yesterday. Purely the fact it was slightly off the road, slightly onto main roads a little bit. It wasn't too bad. But there was a little bit of a uphill getting there. But anyway, I'll show you obviously on a speeded up video, the type of thing, but it's pretty secure, all in all. So I've now discovered when we do go in here, apparently there's a lot of rain, so unfortunately I've had to purchase these at €3, which you can do when you're here, but obviously it'd be better off if you just bring yourself a rain mat or something. People are coming out and I'll speak to them, and some of them look like it's got not too wet, they've got some degree of wetness, so anyway, want to be prepared, get yourself a rain mat, or if not, €3, you can buy basically a glorified bin liner. Cheers then. You get a bit busy and you obviously have to do the queue up, but other than that, I'll just guide you through it hopefully. Normally, so what I've been doing is just put it on as I've been going into places. There's a few little caves where obviously the waterfalls are, but anyway, hopefully the videos can carry on, and I'll let you know what's going on then.